Hello students, I am Shaheen Mahmood, currently studying MBBS from College of Medicine and JNM Hospital, Kalyani. So I am SME Biology at memoneet. As you all know, you have been seeing me for a year and now your NEET is very close to. So today we will discuss about the Zoology section for FLT 2. Okay. So today we will discuss the Zoology part. So first question is 151. Let's see what the question says. It is saying that read the following statement and choose the correct one, obviously. It is saying how many incorrect statements are there. So let's see what it is saying. So first is saying in 1997 an American company got patent on basmati rice through the International Patent Trademark Office. Okay, so through not international patent, obviously an American company does get the right, but not through international patent, it's US patent. So this is not correct. Then there are estimated 5,000 varieties of rice in India alone. Obviously, this is correct. India is a very rich, diversically rich country. Then first clinical gene therapy was given in 1990 to a 4-year-old girl with adenosine deaminase deficiency. Correct. Obviously correct. And then it is saying that in 1983, Eli Lilly company prepared DNA sequences corresponding to ABC chains of the human insulin. Okay. So this is saying in 1983, but it was not 1983. Yeah, Eli Lilly company was correct, but it was 1983, and then it is saying that corresponding to A, B, C chains of the human insulin. It was not C, so A, B chains of only of the human insulin, because C is the so that is not included in the mature insulin. So how many are this incorrect? So incorrect are, what are the incorrect? A and D are incorrect. So how many of these incorrect? 2. 3 will be your correct answer. A very good question, I will say. Then 152. It is saying same type of question, but this is a more difficult type of question, because to solve this question, if you did not read the NCERT carefully, you will miss some words, because this is all about words. A typical bioreactor has. What a typical bioreactor have? Okay, an agitator system, correct. Then an oxygen delivery system, correct. A foam control system, correct. A temperature control system, correct. A pH control system, correct. Then we have sampling ports as well. So A to F all are included in a typical bioreactor. So fourth will be your correct answer for this question. Moving to the next question, it is saying 153. Human sperm is what? So human sperm is 4-celled and homologous to stamen in plants. 4-celled and homologous to stamen in plants. No. 3-celled and homologous to megaspore mother cell. No. Single-celled and homologous to pollen in plant. Absolutely haploid. So 3 will be your correct answer for this question. Then question number 154. Which statement is incorrect? Recognition sequence is made up of 4 bases. Okay. Recognition sites are present in cloning vector, correct. Then in gene gun, plant cell are bombarded with high velocity microparticles of gold or tungsten, correct. Agrobacterium dumescens is a pathogen of several types of plant, correct. So first option it is saying that recognition sequence is made up of 4 bases. Do you think this is correct? How many? So they actually vary. Okay, so a recognition sequence basically varies. It varies from 4 to 8 generally. 4 to 8. Yeah, you can see 4 to 8 bases. So recognition sequence is made up of 6 bases is incorrect, or 6 or 4, whatever it is written. So this is incorrect one. So first option will be your correct answer. Then question number 155. So what this question is saying, that descending limb of loop of Henle is impermeable to water and allows transport of electrolytes actively or passively. So assertion is false. Okay. So the descending limb of loop of Henle is permeable to water. Here it is saying that impermeable to water. So this is not correct. Then dilution of filtrate takes place due to efflux of electrolytes in the medullary fluid. So this is correct. The assertion is false, but reason is true. So what will be the correct answer? Our correct answer will be option number here 2nd. Then we will move to the question number 156. It is saying that which of the following statements are correct with respect to hormone and its function? Okay, let's read it. Thyrocalcitonin regulates the blood calcium level, absolutely correct. TCT. In males, FSH, follicular stimulating hormone, and androgens regulate spermatogenesis, correct. Hypothyroidism can lead to AIDS. Oh my god, no, it can lead to goiter. but never aids. I mean, funny. Glucocorticoids is selected from adrenal medulla. No, this is not correct. Glucocorticoids are secreted from adrenal cortex. Parathyroid hormone is regulated by circulating levels of sodium ion. Parathyroid hormone is regulated by circulating levels of calcium ion. Okay. So, you have correct one. A and B are only correct. So, second option will be your correct answer. Then moving to the question 157. It is saying that, okay, so you have to match it. Just match. Palm bones. Tell me what are the palm bones? The palm bones. Here are your palm bones. The palm bones will be your metacarpal. Wrist bone, yeah, here are your wrist bone. What are the wrist bone? Wrist bone are the carpals. Okay, this will very important. I mean, this, if you read this, you will get a lot of help in your forensic medicine, in your anatomy. So you should read that. What are the ankle bones? I can't show the ankle, but ankle, what are tarsals? What are digit bones? What are digits? All these digits. Okay, these are phalanges. So your correct answer will be option number 4th. Then we have to match again. Eosinophil, how many percent? Eosinophil is 2 to 3%. Which is the lowest? That will be basophil, because that is like 0.0 to 1%. So when you will practice in your first year of MBBS, when you will go to the physiology lab, and you have to all find all these cells, eosinophil and then WBC actually, and then don't never say basophil. I found basophil, because this is very rare to find. You will 99% time you will find neutrophil or lymphocyte. So how much neutrophil reproduces the most concentration? 60 to 65, and then we have what? Lymphocytes. So lymphocytes, how much percentage? 20 to 25%. The monocyte, it have 6 to 8%. So the 3 will be your correct answer. Then question number 159. Okay, a statement, very big statement I can say. Let's see. The primary follicle gets surrounded by more layers of granulosa cells, a thicker and shows fluid-filled cavity, antrum. Now it is called secondary follicle. So antrum is a fluid-filled cavity found in the tertiary follicle. So this is not correct. Then Graafian follicle ruptures to release the secondary oocyte from the ovary by the process called ovulation. So this is absolutely correct. So first statement is incorrect, but second statement is correct. Okay, so first is incorrect and second is true. Second option will be your correct answer. So easy. Then we have a very good question. I can see 160. It is saying that which of the following statements are correct? Reproductive health refers to total well-being in aspects of reproduction. So is this correct? Absolutely, this is correct. What is the definition of health? Tell me, what is the definition of health? In PSM, you will need this. Health is total physical, it is the complete physical, mental, social well-being, and not merely absence of any disease or infirmity in terms of reproduction. That is your definition of the health by WHO. Okay, so this is correct. The amniocentesis is legally banned for sex determination in India. Amniocentesis is legally banned in sex determination in India. It is open for like to determine any type of genetical abnormalities or anything like that, but not for sex determination, because you know that in many states of India that leads to female feticide. Then Shaheli, a new oral contraceptive for females, was developed in collaboration with ICMR. No, it was for the CDRI Lucknow. Okay, ICMR is different. Okay, amniocentesis is used to determine genetic disorder and survival of the fetus. Absolutely correct. So A, B and D are correct. So 3 will be your correct answer. Then 161. Identify the fossil of the man who showed the following characteristic. Let's see. Brain capacity 1400, good, very good. 1400, good brain capacity. Then use heights to protect their body. Yeah, okay. Buried dead bodies. So Homo erectus, no. Neanderthal man, yes. So Neanderthal men have the brain capacity of much larger than others. So second option will be your correct answer. Then question number 162. What it is saying that select the correct statement. So you have to select the correct statement. Platyhelminths are triploplastic, pseudocoelomate and bilaterally symmetrical organ. So platyhelminths are triploplastic, correct, but not they are pseudocoelomate, they are acoelomate. So this is not correct. Ctenophore reproduce sexually Ctenophore reproduce only sexually and fertilization is external. This is correct. In tapeworm, fertilization is internal but sexes are not separate. This is also correct. But in tapeworm, fertilization is internal but sexes are not separate. Okay, so like in one individual it happens. Okay. Ctenophores are exclusively marine, diploblastic and bioluminescent organism. So yeah, ctenophores are bioluminescent organism. Then sponges, fertilization is external and development is direct. No, development is indirect but fertilization is external. So your correct answer will be second option, B, C and D. Then 163 statement questions. So it is saying that statement first, in cockroach, the forewings are transparent and prothoracic in origin. Okay, forewings is, it is what did it say? Forewings are transparent and prothoracic origin. In cockroach, forewings is not transparent, it is opaque, dark and leathery, mesothoracic in origin. The whole statement is wrong. And then hind wings are opaque, and just the reverse thing. Okay, hind wings are transparent, membranous and mesothoracic in origin. This is not correct. So both are false. So fourth option will be your correct answer. Then question number 164, again match the column. I love match the column questions because there is the least chance of doing any mistakes in match the column questions. So if you know 2 3 maximum, then you will do the rest of this correct. I don't know, like in my years I could not do any mistake. I was very bad at biology, but somehow it saved me because okay, I just want to share a story with you. So during my preparation, I used to do a lot of mock tests from every institute at that time, because that was the time of COVID and I was preparing at home. So I used to take the printouts and solve it of my own. So in my mock test, I have given last 3-4 months, I have given almost 40-50 tests. So what I used to get in biology, it was always 320, 330, not more than that, never more than 330. I think I got in my like mock papers. But I thought ki okay, I am doing a lot of efforts, I am doing a lot of things, because still I am not getting that much of marks, but okay. And I used to get 160 in chemistry and 130, 140 in physics. This is what like 630, 640 I used to score in every mock papers. So when I appeared to give NEET, what happened that physics seemed a little tough for us, because in 2021 it was a good physics paper. Okay, it was like a little tough because section B was introduced at that time. Maybe this year it will not be there. Section B, only 180 questions will be there. So it was because it was introduced because of the COVID, and the 3-4 period is over. So you can see that 180 questions is very like you can't choose, and when you can't choose, you can't skip any questions, because if you skip any question, your rank will deteriorate. So in that, keeping in that mind, I have done a lot of negative marking. So that led me in trouble. But in biology, which I thought ki okay, I will never get in this 330 or 340. In that subject, I got 360 out of 360. So it was a miracle for me, because biology paper was so easy. So you can score 360 out of 360 in biology very easily. It was very, very tough to score a full marks in chemistry or physics. It is very, very tough. Okay, but you can easily score 360 out of 360 in biology. So if you score 360, suppose I was saying 360, then you need to score 300 marks more. So you can score 150 in chemistry and 150 in physics. Then you will got what? 660, which is a very, very, very good score. Okay, keeping all the inflation in mind, but I think if you studied seriously, the paper will seem very easy to you, because what you will find, everyone will find. If the paper is tough for you, then it is tough for you, everyone. And if you have not studied the whole year, okay, then it will be very difficult to you, but other will find easy. So you have to think about that. Okay, so in these few months, like almost February, March, April, May. So you have February, March, April. Okay, May. So you have just 3 months. In these 3 months, you can improve your rank from, suppose I am saying if you are scoring in between 600, you can take it to the 650, 660, 670. This is the time. This is the time to push your limits. 100% you have to do. 100% you have to focus. So if you focus, then you will get a very, very good rank. You can't even imagine how good you can be in this 2-3 months. So be prepared, take all the motivations, and then just start doing from whenever you think, okay, I can change now. So please start doing. Please start studying a lot seriously, because I am saying in this every BPT. I will be saying in this every FLT solution. So if you see the FLT solutions, then you will have some okay. I have to study. Cytokine barriers. What cytokine barriers are interferons. The cellular barriers what? Cellular barriers are neutrophil and macrophages. Physiological barrier, what are these? Tears and saliva. A lot of tears you will get in medical college, but whatever. Before that, physical barrier, mucus coating respiratory tract. So what will be the correct answer? Correct answer is the first option. Then question number 165. What it is saying that cartilage cell chondrocyte. Okay, select the incorrect one. Cartilage cell chondrocyte, absolutely correct. Macrophage, areolar tissue, correct. Goblet cell, alimentary canal, correct. Plasma, collagen fibers are present in rows. No, in plasma, fibers are absent. So, this is not correct. So, fourth option will be your correct answer for this question. Then question number 166. My laptop is hanging, just a second. So, it is saying that which of the following are the steps of recombinant DNA technology? Isolation of DNA, fragmentation of DNA by endonuclease, extraction of the desired product. So, all of these are the steps of recombinant DNA technology. So, fourth option will be your correct answer. Then question number 167. What it is saying that select the correct statement for isolation of genetic material DNA. Variety of enzymes are used. Okay, correct. RNA can be removed by treatment with ribonuclease. Correct. Proteins can be removed by treatment with protease. Correct, because these are the destringlising enzymes. So, fourth option will be your correct answer for this question. 167, fourth option will be your correct answer. I don't know why my laptop is hanging a bit. I think I should take a pause here. Okay, so the next question it is saying that select the correct statement for making of pest resistant plant. Transposons are used, correct. Jumping genes. The nematode specific genes are introduced into the host by using agrobacterium, correct. Then RNA interference technique are used, correct. So, all of these are correct. So, fourth option. So, this three questions are given to test you that whether you are reading the NCERT correctly or incorrectly. Because if you missed one single sentence, then you will mistake this wrong. You will mark it as mistake. Then 169. What it is saying that evolution by natural selection in a true sense would have started when cellular forms of life with difference in metabolic capability originated on Earth. So, it is correct. Evolution of natural selection in a true sense when started when cellular forms of life with difference in metabolic capability, because every cellular function should have different capabilities originated on this Earth. And statement 2, what it is saying that when more than one adaptive radiation appeared to have occurred in an isolated geographical area representing different habitats, one can call this convergent evolution. This is the definition of convergent evolution. Convergent evolution. This is the convergent evolution. This is the divergent evolution. Okay. So, both statements are correct. So, what will be your answer? Fourth option will be your answer. Both first and second statement are correct. Then 170. Again, a statement based question. It is saying that biofertilizers are organisms that enrich the nutrient quality of the soil. The main sources of biofertilizers are bacteria, fungi and cyanobacteria. Absolutely correct. The organic farmer means the farmer who use only manure, no pesticide, nothing, nothing he should buy, okay? Only the compost and the manure. The organic farmer holds the view that the eradication of creatures that are often described as pests is not only possible but also undesirable. For without them, the beneficial predatory and parasite insects which depend upon them as a food or host will not be able to survive. Yes, it is absolutely correct. Okay. So, say fourth option will be correct. So, both statements are correct. Then 171. It is saying that in which type of neuron one axon is present. Let's see here the diagram. Very good diagrams are given. So, here multipolar one axon, many dendron. Okay, here is a multipolar. You can see one axon, many dendrite. Bipolar, one axon, one dendrite. Bipolar here, one axon, only dendrite. Unipolar, only one axon. Okay. So, it will be your unipolar. So, third option Okay, so it is saying that one axon is present. So okay, in every one axon is present. In multipolar, one axon is present. Very good question. Star mark. Very good question. The fourth option will be correct answer. Why these included? Because they also have one axon. It is not saying only one axon is present. So it is a type of neuron one axon is present. So in this multipolar, bipolar, all these have one axon is present. So fourth option will be your correct answer. Question number 172. It is saying that assertion and reason. Parathormone PTH increases calcium levels in the blood. Is it correct? Okay, so it is correct. Then it is saying that parathormone acts on the bones and stimulates the process of bone resorption and also stimulates reabsorption of calcium by the renal tubule. Correct. So if you put a because there, what you will get? Let's see what you will get. That parathormone increases the calcium levels in the blood. Why? Because parathormone acts on bones and stimulates the process of bone resorption and also stimulates reabsorption of calcium by renal tubules. Absolutely correct. So both assertion reason are correct and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. So fourth option will be your correct answer. Then question number 173. It is saying that which hormone interact with membrane bound receptor normally do not enter the target cell but generate secondary messenger which in turn regulate the cellular metabolism. So what are these hormones? So glucagon, PTH, TCT, prolactin. So these are all the hormones that are what of the description is given. They are basically peptide hormone, okay, and they act via membrane bound receptor on the target cell. So fourth option will be your correct answer for this question. Then question number 174. It is saying that what will happen if one kidney is removed from the body of a human being? Okay, it's a very good question actually. Death due to poisoning, not at all. Uremia and death, you will not die because there is a old meme, one kidney is given to buy an iPhone, but I don't know, iPhone is like with everyone own an iPhone like. Then stubby urination, no, not all. Nothing, the person will survive and remain normal, absolutely correct. So fourth option is the correct answer. But like they can't do the many kind of hard work. They can't take the creatine. Like in gym, I go to gym, so I take creatine sometimes. So they can't take creatine because there's metabolizing kidney. Okay. In 175, which among following organ does not play significant role in excretion? Lungs, liver, skin, small intestine, large intestine. I don't know. I don't know why these options are not given. 3 and 4. 3 and 4 the options are not given. This is a serious issue. Okay, but let's see that the human body has several excretory organs responsible for removing waste products. So the following, which of the following organs does not play a significant role in excretion? Lungs, liver, skin, small intestine, large intestine. The kidney filter blood to remove waste product and excess substances forming urine, process toxins and waste product, turning them into bile or urea. So each of these organs play a crucial role in maintaining body's internal environment by removing waste product. The small intestine is not an excretory organ. It is primarily responsible for digestion and absorption. Excretory organs in the body include the kidney, bladder and liver, which remove waste product from the blood stream. So it is AB, it will be A, it will be B, it will be C and E only. So small intestine will be not excluded. So it will not included. So second option will be your correct answer. I don't know why this 4 is there. What they are doing 4. I have not answered it yet. Okay, gotcha. 4, I mean option is not given, right? 4. Well, luckily you have already got the answer. This question is some misprint. Then 176. For a person having blood group A, what will be donor's blood group? So what will be donor's blood group? Both A and O they can donate. So fourth option will be your correct answer because they have antigen A and anti B. B can't be the donor. Then question number 177. It is saying that The insects have a network of tubes to transport atmospheric air within the body. This network of tubes called cartilaginous tube, artery tubes, tracheal tubes, and none. So these are what? These are tracheal tubes, why the name itself suggests. Then select the incorrect match. What it is saying that select the incorrect match: silkworm, closed circulatory system, liver fluke, acylomate, round dome, triploblastic, earthworm, monoecious. So incorrect match will be silkworm, closed circulatory system. Silkworm have open circulatory system. Rest all have your correct answer. Okay, round dome, earthworm, liver fluke, all these are acylomate, these are triploblastic, and these are monoecious. So question number 179. It is saying that copper ions released from the copper releasing iodes to suppress sperm motility, make fallopian tube unsuitable for fertilization, suppress fertilizing capacity of sperm, make cervix hostile to sperm. So this is a very good question, because it is saying that not for the whole iod, for the copper ion. So what the copper ion does? So basically copper ion releases from the copper releasing iod to suppress the sperm motility will be there and suppress the fertilizing capacity of the sperm. So your third option will be your correct answer. Okay. Then question number 180. 180 is saying that which ribs are floating ribs? Easiest question on this paper. First 7 pair of ribs, only first 5 pair of ribs, last 2 pair of ribs, or only last 1 pair of ribs? So no. So last 2 pairs of the ribs your floating ribs, 11th and 12th. Then question number 181. Which of the following animal are triploblastic non-chordates? So tree lizard, wall lizard, garden lizard, or none? So it is saying that triploblastic non-chordates. So what it will be there? It will be none. I don't know. Triploblastic chordate, tree lizard, wall lizard, garden lizard. All are triploblastic chordate. Non-chordate I can't see. Okay. Fourth option. Non-chordate means platyhelminthes. Okay. Triploblastic, platyhelminthes, then Aschelminthes, mollusca, arthropods. These are non-chordates. Then you have your 182. It is saying that sea anemone, coelomate, select the correct match. Sea anemone, coelomate, no. Sea anemone, acylomate. Crate, 3-chambered heart. Crate does have 3-chambered heart because crate is a snake. King crab, diploblastic. King crab is triploblastic. Sacroglossas, homeothermus. Sacroglossas, poikilothermus, cold-blooded. So second option will be the correct answer. Then question number 1. Let it load. 183. 183 what to say? That given the diagram of A, so we have to find A, B, C, D basically. Easy. A, where is A? I can't see A. Okay, A might be there. The chromatin, nucleosome, nucleosome, and nucleosome. So A, I can't find it. So here A, B is the, I think there's some problem in the solution. So let's ignore the solution. I don't think there's like just a misspelling will be, misspelling is there. So it will be B, it will be C, and it will be D. That's it. And what is the given diagram? This is nucleosome, right? This is nucleosome. And what is the A here? So what is the B? B here it is DNA. C is the histone octamer. H1. So it is the H1 histone, and this is the histone octamer, right? C is the histone octamer. So C, it will be C here. D and C. A little, I think this is some mistake, but you can identify. Okay. So fourth option will be your correct answer. Or you can also have, like if this is your option, then it should have 3: nucleosome, DNA, H1, and histone octamer. Okay, let's ignore it. Let's have some mistake, but you can understand. I hope you understand the question. Question number 184. It is saying that select the correct statement regarding the specific disorder of musculoskeletal system, myasthenia gravis. Autoimmune disorder which inhibits the sliding of myosin filaments. Autoimmune disorder which affects neuromuscular junction. This is not correct. Absolutely not correct. Gouty arthritis. Inflammation of joints due to extra deposition of calcium. No. Uric acid crystal. Deposition of uric acid crystal. Third, muscular dystrophy. age-related shortening of muscle, progressive degeneration of skeletal muscle, mostly due to genetic disorder. Then you have osteoporosis, decrease in bone mass and higher chances of fractures with advancing age because due to decreased synthesis in estrogen after menopause. So fourth option will be your correct answer. Then question number what? 185. Select the correct ascending order. Correct ascending order regarding number of different structure in male frog. Oh wow, very good question. Then we have 2 pairs of testes in frog, 2 pairs of testes. Then how many chambers are of heart? 3 chambers of heart. Vas efferentia is 10 to 12. Okay. This is your correct answer. This is very easy. First option is your correct answer. Then section B, we have 186. Let's see. Which type of bond primarily holds the 2 strands of DNA double helix together? Covalent bonds, hydrogen bonds, ionic bond, or van der Waals forces. So these are your hydrogen bonds. You can see here, hydrogen bonds. Second option is your correct answer. Then question number 187. Find the incorrect statement regarding counter current mechanism. The glomerular filtration rate is about 125 ml per minute. Correct. The ultrafiltration is opposed by the collateral osmotic pressure of plasma. Correct. Tubular secretion takes place in the proximal convoluted tubule. Correct. The counter current system plays a significant role in filtration. So counter current system contribute in diluting the concentration of the urine. Actually, this is not correct. Not in filtration. I mean counter current filtration. No, this is for concentrating the urine. So, and diluting the urine actually, confusing diluting. So, diluting and concentrating both have. The fourth option is your correct answer. Then question number 188. Antibody or antibody. If you read it antibody, then you will be fine. You will be fine. So, antibody mediated response is called humoral immunity. Humoral immune response, correct. So, antibodies are formed in blood in response to antigen. It is also correct. Now, if you put a because here, what you will get? That the humoral response is a component of the adaptive immune system that involves the production of antibodies by B cell in response to the antigen. So, these antibodies circulate in the bloodstream and help neutralize pathogens, facilitating their destruction and removal from the body. So, this is absolutely correct. Assertion is correct, reason is also correct, and reason is correctly describing the assertion. The fourth option will be a correct answer for this question. Smoking is associated with increased incidence of gastric ulcer, coronary heart disease, bronchitis. Fourth, you can see that smoking. If you smoke, then God bless you. You have to visit me after like 4 or 5 years highest. Then 190. Thorns of bougainvillea and tendrils in cucurbita are examples of analogy, homology. 1, 2, and 1, 2 obviously not be none of them. So it is thorns of bougainvillea and cucurbita are examples of homology. Okay, second option should be the answer. Second option should be the answer. I don't know why for this given second option. Then question 191. Early Greek thinkers thought units of life called spore were transferred to different planets included Earth. So second option will be the correct answer for this question. Then question 192. Which of the following structure is formed at last in developed human fetus? Heart, limbs, external genital organ, or eyelashes? So that is very easy. Heart is formed in 1 month, limb is formed in 2 months, external genital organs formed in 3 months, eyelashes formed in 6 months. It is given your NCERT. It is saying that formed at last, so that will be your eyelashes. So fourth option will be your correct answer. Then question number 193. In which of the following cells the number of chromosomes is 23? Sertoli cell, Leydig cell, primary oocyte, or secondary spermatocyte. So 23, or which will have secondary spermatocyte. This is haploid. All are rest all are diploid. So fourth option will be your correct answer. Then question number 194. Full form of ICSI is yes question I think. So ICSI is intracytoplasmic sperm injection. So intracytoplasmic sperm injection is your correct answer. Question number 192. The ribosome consists of structural RNAs, rRNAs, and about 80 different carbohydrates, 80 different proteins, or 80 different, 180 different protein, 80 different lipids. So 80 different protein is your correct answer. Choose the correct matching. Again, matching. I love matching type of questions. Join, good. Okay. So ball and socket joints. So ball and socket joints are what? Ball and socket joints you can see in humerus and pectoral girdle. This is your ball and socket joint. Okay. Then hinge joint. What are your hinge joint? Hinge joint is your elbow joint, and hinge joint is also a knee joint. I can't see the knee, but hinge. Pivot joint. Pivot joint, atlas and axis. Yeah, this is your pivot joint. Pivot joint. Then saddle joint, carpal and metacarpal of the thumb. So correct answer you will be first option. And question number 197. During muscular contraction, I think this image just got there. Okay. During muscular contraction, which of the following events occur? Age zone disappears. Age zone disappears. Yeah. Age zone disappears. You can see here age zone. Okay, this is very F-road diagram, but whatever. Age zone disappears. A band widens. No, A band doesn't widen. A band remains constant. Then I band reduces with. Correct. Width of A band is unaffected. Correct. M line and Z line come closer. Correct. So your correct answer will be first option. Then question number 198. It is saying that injury to the vagus nerve will not affect GIT, gastrointestinal movement, pancreatic secretion, cardiac movement, or tongue movement. So it will not affect pancreatic secretion. The second option will be your correct answer. Then question number 199. Read the given paragraph and select the options that correctly filling the blanks. Okay, so you have to find it. It is saying that hormones produced there. Okay, 199. Hormones produced their effect on target tissue by binding to a specific protein called hormone receptor located in the target tissues only. Water soluble hormones usually need what? Membrane bound receptor that generate secondary messenger for regulating cellular metabolism. Okay, this is lipid soluble hormones can pass through cell membrane. The hormones which interact with intracellular receptor and mostly regulate the gene expression or chromosome function interaction of the hormone receptor complex with the genome. Correct. So your first option is your correct answer. The question number. This is your the first option. Question number 200. Sorry, 200. What it is saying that during the evolution of man, many changes have taken place in his ancestral character. Which of the following is an insignificant change? Change of diet from hard tough fruits and roots into soft food? No. Qualitative improvement in the structure of hands, skill for making tools? Which of the following is insignificant change? These are all significant changes, right? Disappearance of tails. This is an insignificant change. Then improvement in speech for the what? For the communication social behavior. Yeah, this is also significant change. So insignificant change here only is your disappearance of tail. So third option is your correct answer for this question. So this concludes the explanation part of your FLT2 Zoology. Thank you.